Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and I got a sweet piece from Mattel Creations yesterday in the mail, so I decided I'd make a video on it today and show you guys, because maybe a lot of you are not expecting to get it this soon, and a lot of you may have not even got the email like myself, and it's the Skyline. Yes, the R34 Skyline that wasn't supposed to be shipped until August 16th is already shipping. And I honestly did not get any email, did not know anything about it until yesterday. I got an email that said your order is out for delivery from Mattel Creations. They didn't even send me the first one that says your order's been processed and so forth. Here's your tracking number, and sometimes it can take a week before USPS even picks it up. They just give you the furnished tracking number created tracking number that they provide, and sometimes it'll sit there for a week before it even goes. This time didn't get none of that until the day it was being delivered, and I was like, wow, that's awesome. I seen one guy post on Facebook that he was going to get his soon. He got the email, but I really didn't believe it, because usually Mattel Creations is late, if anything. So I was happy to see it come. So I just figured I'd give you guys that heads up and then give you a close-up look at this guy. I'm not cracking this one open because I'm going to try to trade this one. We will take him out of the protector. I'm looking for the yellow and black Power Wagon from the 2011 Hot Wheels Garage series. I know the carded one is worth more than the Skyline, but what I'm looking for is a mint loose one. I figured that would be equivalent in value. This Skyline, I think, is running anywhere between 80 to 100 bucks, and I figure that's what a loose yellow and black mint J case 70 Dodge Power Wagon is going for. So I'm going to try to trade someone for it. That's why I'm not cracking it open today. So I'm trying to stick with all Mopar stuff. And I really got into these Dodge trucks since M2 launched their first gen 72 to 80 style pickup last year. So yeah, and now I'm getting back into the 70 Power Wagons from Hot Wheels, and I'm anticipating that 64 crew cab Power Wagon that they have coming up, I think later this year, hopefully. It could be delayed till 2025, but I seen a prototype one being sold on eBay last week, so I think we'll see it this year, I hope. But anyways, here is your purple chameleon color, whatever you want to call it. The color changing, it goes from like a blue, like aqua blue kind of, navy blue in some ways, and then the purple. Really cool. The wheel choice is perfect, and having it like that graphite gray color with like a brushed chrome finish on the lip of the wheel looks very good. And you flip it over, it's got detailed exhaust. That's kind of cool. And you turn around, look at the backside, beautifully detailed tail lights, Nissan emblems, GTR emblems, and you have the backup light on the passenger. Would be driver side for us in America, but since it's a JDM, it's the passenger side. You have that, I think, as your backup or your license plate light, I'm not sure. And then the vanity plate says perp, pretty cool. And then your silver exhaust tip there poking out from the cutout in the bumper cover, pretty sweet. And then you have the other side looking through at what we would call the driver's side, the left side of the vehicle. In Japan, they call the passenger side because they're right-hand drive, as you can see, kind of, with the gauge cluster. It's kind of really hard to see with looking through the blister, looking through the window of the car and stuff, but it's there. It's a right-hand drive, and this gives you a little bit of background story. That's what I like about some of the RLC stuff. They do tell you a little bit about the car. It's not a sales pitch like their mail-in stuff. Their mail-in stuff that they give out, like for the 65 Dodge Coronet AWB that we unboxed the other week. It should have had some cool write-up about them, but it just tells you if you like this car, then check out HotWheelsCollectors.com, Mattel Creations, and join and buy and blah, blah, blah. So it's just a promotional item that's a sales pitch. But this actually says something. So here we go. Up here, you have your title. Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Nissan Skyline GTR R34 is the 5th generation in the GTR series. As if this car wasn't already dominant in the racing world, the R34 sped into the scene ready to go, improved aerodynamics due to body rigidity, increased performance while maintaining its already standout style. This Hot Wheels version has stunning purple and blue Chameleon paint and black real riders, 6-spoke wheels, excuse me, and the perp license plate solidifies the awesome color scheme of the car. So very cool little piece here. So if you guys have one of those Power Wagons and would like to trade, let me know, because that's what I'm hanging onto this car for a while, at least until I get that yellow and black Power Wagon. If I have to buy one, then I will just go ahead and sell this one to recoup some of the money I spend on the yellow and black Power Wagon. But for right now, it's just for trade. But if it does come up for sale, it'll be on my IG, Facebook, and eBay. So keep your eyes open, and if you do want to trade, you can comment here, or you can message me on IG at the same name, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on Monday for our Mopar Monday.